Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy biscuits. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, cold butter, and milk for the biscuits. For the gravy, you'll use butter, flour, and more milk, along with salt and pepper to taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This guide will walk you through each step clearly. To make your biscuits, whisk together 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, cut in 6 tablespoons of very cold butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Slowly pour in 1 cup of milk, mixing just until a soft dough forms. Avoid overworking the dough for the flakiest results. Roll it out and cut your biscuit shapes. Now let's prepare the delicious gravy. In a skillet, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour to create a smooth roux. Cook this mixture for about 1 minute, stirring constantly to remove the raw flour taste. Gradually pour in 2 cups of milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Continue to cook and stir until the gravy thickens to your desired consistency. Finally, it's time to bake and serve. Place your cut biscuits on a baking sheet and bake them in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until golden brown. While they are still warm, generously spoon your savory gravy over the top. This classic comfort food is perfect for breakfast or brunch. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.